Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. Hi guys, welcome back to another video here. We're playing entry point. Sorry, I messed up that. Entry point once again. But guys, this time we're going to show you a tutorial on this. Sorry if my voice sounds bad. I think I'm a little sick. Well, I'm not too sure. But I actually, guys, I didn't think we were gonna hit it, but we got 21 views. I didn't actually believe it through my eyes, but thank you for that. It's actually the second video I ever did on my channel. So guys, what you need to do is run from the spawn, come down the side of the bank, come here, and then make sure no citizens are coming. Then crawl in. Then, if you're a hacker, use the keycard scrambler to do that. And then ask your teammate to go into the vault or find the other dudes. And don't let him knock him out before you've interrogated them. Mark, you gotta stop him. Wait, okay. I've got the room. Take that. I don't need it. Give me a sec, I'll go stick it on his back. Don't knock him out. Don't worry, Mac, I'll put it on his back. Damn it doesn't let me. I was about to knock him out. So guys, what you need to do is use the keycard scrambler here once the door's actually closed. Don't kill them. Then you get the key card from this person there. Then you come into here, put the key card onto this. Then you head to upstairs. Heading upstairs is a crucial part because a ID box and also a ID box and also including a camera room and all that type of stuff.
I've just been reading a book.
What's in here is the camera room, and there's also Mark. Did somebody see us?
It's 1940.
But
My husband's overseas.
I'll crack it. So guys, what you need to do is get in here. If there's not a safe in here, then it's in the manager's room next door. But what you pretty much need to do is get upstairs, use the key card, make sure nobody sees you come in here, because for some reason, for her it's not trespassing, but for us it is. So what you need to do is get in here, make sure nobody sees you. That's what you're looking for at the moment. And you need to get everybody in this room to be knocked out, or you kill them all. The manager is here. Just warning you. Oh, for God's sake. Max, should I take the manager hostage? Okay, you just tell me when, buddy. You just tell me when. Mark! That was a close one. Now? How about now?
What are you talking about? I was getting worried. But look at the state of you.
Follow me. Of in here and then in here. Then get on the ground. You get her on the ground. Then you interrogate her. She doesn't glitch out the flipping room. And Mark, come look where I've got the manager. So what you need to do is take the manager hostage. Don't knock her out because no, don't. Mac is ready. So what you need to do is get a employee disguise because they're the best. Once you get rid of the manager, then nobody knows who you are. So all we need to do now is get into this room, get the ID number and the blueprints. The blueprints are a crucial part to this. He wasn't, so I knocked him out.
You don't have to lie to me. I'm not your mother.
Hi, follow me. Knock.
Next Next up on Gold, husband, father, TV repairman, but most importantly,
So guys, all you need to do is,
trying to get the best
again, just
of both
tipping you,
worlds, Nicholas Lindner
grab everybody in this entire room, put them all into there, make sure nobody can see them.
John will be seen by...
Then all you need to do is knock him out. What the hell's he doing here? And pick-lock that door. Don't break the glass, because that's suspicious. So don't break the glass, Matt. Remember that. Pick-lock it.
My universe.
The modern radio telescope always try to visualize the...
Yeah, that's if we have enough time. Mac, pick-lock the door.
With computer.
Mac, pick-lock the door.
The signals.
No, not that one. Not that one. We don't need to go in there. This one. The one that we usually break the glass to. Because it's a bit suspicious if the door's wide open. Or, aka, the glass is broken.
Use computer software to label each individual.
Don't do what Mac did, because it really sucks, because you never know, somebody might walk up and
The
go,
resulting build-up
oh, what's going on here?
forms a pattern, which in turn
So,
becomes an image.
it says rip it open, but really don't. It's not what you really need. You need the blueprints as well. What we really need to find is that they're very hard to find, so you've got to look through every single one of these. Once you find them, you need a silent drill. A silent drill. It's a really crucial part to this. So you need to find one, then you need to drill the exact spot where it tells you to. Is this where it is?
We can
Yeah.
start to try to use telescope to explore a completely new
Yeah, 101.
before. We are expecting
Let me drill the box, Matt, because it's faster than pickpocketing.
For astronomers, also I think for the human being,
Wait, Mac, wait.
they'll know some new knowledge about the unknown.
Open the vault, but don't go in. I want to watch him come down on the microcam. Yeah, but I'm watching him come down in the microcam. Mac is coming. Coming out the corner. There he is.
Is now ready to begin.
Get him quick.
Further and deeper than ever before.
Ooh, close one. What?
FAST is going to revolutionise radio.
Sorry guys, that was messed up, but what? Nobody saw
It
anything!
was possible to build a dish this big. So we didn't know that
Quick.
you could make a machine this
I gotta drill the sensors quickly. For God's sake, Mac. Mac, now we need the thermal!
Whoa, it's the culmination of a lifelong dream.
I'm very proud to be a member of this.
Sorry guys, but I would pause the video to get exactly where we were again, but
So I'm very proud
Really
of
just
the
sucks.
achievement.
how did they see
By
us though?
drawing inspiration from the great pioneers of the past, adapting
So guys,
and developing innovations of their own.
no we can't.
and where it
So what I'm gonna do now is pause the video.
this huge
Guys, what I'm going to do is pause the video till we get to where we were, then we'll be back in tune. So, see you in a bit, boys! Unfortunately, we're going to have to finish this because Mac has to go for a little bit.
half the funding for our life
Sad, really. But we are back where we were, which is good.
willpower.
Very, very good.
Call 0800 277.
And now, all we need to do, guys, is go into here, grab the cash, the sweet goddamn cash.
You'll get super fast
Need cash because it gives you bonus money.
and be able to stream, watch, and record your favourite shows through our fast
Oh, hello.
through 6 box. So the entertainment will never stop. Get super fast fibre broadband, the super smart V6 box, and over
Guys, he seems to be back already.
for 12 months
And,
and £25 setup fee.
Like, I have to do this on my own and I'm almost gone. Okay,
It's been quite a journey, this
now
year
he
of
has to
mine.
go. It's
But
really,
if you
really
think
sad,
it was
really,
all
because
planned,
I have to do this on my own. Guys, it only took us 1 minute, like literally 1 minute to do this. But once we got to the
I'm going to take a trip back in
code
time
and that,
to find out exactly
we
how
had
it
to.
all happened. I'm going to meet the people and visit the places that have played a vital
So,
role in my
yeah.
career.
So it's just me this
It's
time.
a trip of a lifetime, and I'm sure
I'm
it
going
will
to
be
end the
very
video after this
lovely.
because I'm not doing the entire thing on my own.
My Life on Screen starts Thursday at 8
on
I don't know how
yesterday.
long the pause is for you guys. I'll have to check the video. So guys, that is a tutorial on how to do it.
So far in our search for Time Team's greatest
See ya.
discovery, our